Here are some suggestions with numbers. Finance. Create a budget and track your expenses to identify areas where you can cut back on spending. For example, if you're spending $200 on dining out each month, you could reduce that to $100 and save $1,200 over the course of a year. Increase your income by taking on a side job or freelance work. If you can earn an extra $200 per week, that would be $10,400 per year. Start investing your money in a diversified portfolio. If you invest $5,000 per year and earn an average annual return of 7%, you could have over $60,000 in 10 years. Growth. Set specific, measurable goals for yourself and track your progress. For example, if you want to learn a new skill, set a goal to practice for 30 minutes per day, and track how many days in a row you accomplish that. Read books or listen to podcasts that inspire and motivate you. If you read 10 pages per day, you could finish a 300-page book in a month. Attend conferences, workshops, or networking events to meet new people and learn from experts in your field. Education. Take courses or earn a degree to improve your skills and knowledge. If you earn a degree that increases your earning potential by $10,000 per year, you could earn an additional $200,000 over the course of a 20-year career. Learn a new language to expand your cultural awareness and improve your communication skills. If you practice for 30 minutes per day, you could become conversational in a new language within a year. Health. Exercise regularly to improve your physical and mental health.